righty, good morning. Hello, Rocky. There he is. Hey, what are you up to? All right. Well, it is Tuesday. It's 6:15 a.m. Tuesday, May 13th, in the year of our Lord 2025. Yeah. What do you think, Rocky? Rocky's given me some good morning head boops, which I'm appreciative of. Oh, you're a good boy. You're a very good boy. Anyway, I have to, I have to put the stuff on his leg that he doesn't like, so I'm going to go ahead and do that while I have him here. And I'll talk to you guys all later. I will. Yes, I will. Okay, bye for now.